Hey there, super detectives! Welcome to our awesome light and heat adventure. Are you ready to solve a really big mystery with me? We're gonna find out all about light and heat today, and it's gonna be so much fun. Okay, so here it is, our big mystery. This boy right here is wondering something super important. Why isn't it hot and bright at night? That is a great question, isn't it? Come on, let's put on our detective hats and figure this out together. Whoa, just look at this. Over on one side, you've got this super bright, sunny day at the beach. And then, on the other side, it's a dark, cozy night with a campfire and all those sparkly stars. They're totally different, right? But why? Let's jump in and find out. Okay, first up on our mission, detectives, it's the mystery of light. We need to find out, where does light come from? Let's go hunt for some clues. And here's our first clue. It's a big one. It's the sun. The sun is this giant, glowing star, and it's what gives us almost all of our light during the day. That's why our days are so bright and happy. It's just like a giant light bulb for the whole world. Okay, so the sun lights up our day. Easy enough. But what about at night, when the sun goes away? Where's the light come from? Have you got any ideas? I bet you thought of some. Yep, there are lots of other awesome things that make light. We've got stars, a campfire, streetlights, and even headlights from cars. These are all our amazing nighttime light givers. Just look at that beautiful night sky. You see all those little twinkling dots? Those are stars. And get this, they're actually giant suns, just like ours. But they're so far away that they just look like tiny little specks of light. And you know what's really cool? We can make our own light, like a campfire. It gives off this warm, friendly glow that helps us see. Plus, it's perfect for telling spooky stories and yummy, roasting marshmallows. And people are super clever inventors, you know? We built streetlights to make our towns and roads bright, and cars have headlights so we can see where we're going in the dark. It's like we've decorated the night with our own lights. You did it, detectives! The mystery of light is solved. So, what's next? It's time for part 2 of our adventure, the mystery of heat. Let's find out what makes things feel all warm and cozy. So, get this. Our big, bright sun has another superpower. It's not just a light giver, it's also a heat giver. Yep, that's why a sunny day feels so warm on your skin. The sun is sending us heat. Now, the sun is a huge source of heat, for sure, but it's not the only one. What other things can you think of that give off heat? I bet there are some right in your house. That's right! Let's check the kitchen. A stove, it gets hot to cook our yummy food, right? Like soup or pasta. Those little flames, they're pure heat, warming up that pot. And there are other heat helpers in the kitchen too. A toaster uses heat to get your bread all brown and crunchy, and an oven, well, it uses heat to bake things like yummy cookies and birthday cakes. We even use heat for chores. This is an electric iron. It gets super hot to smooth out all the wrinkles in our clothes. But remember, this one is very hot, so it's a job for grown-ups only, okay? Okay, detectives, now this is really cool. Some things are extra special. Why? Because they have 2 superpowers at the exact same time. Can you guess what I'm thinking of? It's a candle. A candle gives us light so we can see in the dark, and it gives off heat that you can feel. It's a light giver and a heat giver all rolled into one. Isn't that amazing? You guys have been fantastic detectives. So now that we're experts on the sun's light and heat, we need to learn how to be a sun hero. That means knowing how to play safely. Okay, this is the #1 rule for every sun hero, so listen close. We need to protect our eyes from bright light. The sun is super powerful, so we have to take great care of our eyes. So how does a sun hero do that? It's easy. Rule #1, wear awesome sunglasses. And rule #2, this is the big one, never, ever look right at the sun. Seriously, don't do it. It can hurt your eyes. But being safe doesn't mean we can't have fun with light. Oh no, a really fun and totally safe way to play with sunlight is by making your own sun catcher. It catches the light and makes beautiful rainbow colors dance all around your room. How cool is that? Wow, what an adventure we've had! We figured out that the sun gives us light and heat for our days, and at night we've got stars and lamps and campfires to help us see. So now I have one last, super big question for all you amazing inventors out there. What new, awesome thing could you invent that uses light or heat? Keep thinking, keep wondering, and keep exploring. See you next time!